We know. You're like, what the? An underwear campaign for marketing my business or network marketing company, and it raked the founder a whopping $43,000 in a little over a month? Isn't that just crazy good? Especially when you realize that the average national salary for a professional in the United States is $52,222. The average cop salary is between $35K to $65K a year. And, we don't need to even talk about how risky being a cop is these days. And check this out. The average franchise owner of the world popular Subway franchise only makes about $31,000. And yet, our TRS 9900 Machines underwear campaign raked in damn near $45K in just a little over 1 month. Here's exactly what I'd encourage you right now to do. And here's exactly what to expect. That's fair. I'm telling you up front, right? So, first, we know you've never seen or experienced any kind of high-converting, hyper-responsive marketing like this. That much I personally know. Second, it doesn't matter if you own and run a brick-and-mortar storefront, restaurant, medical dental practice, whatever. It doesn't matter if you're an online affiliate marketer or you're attempting to build a network marketing organization. There's absolutely nothing more creative and hyper-responsive than the TRS 9900 machines. In fact, this is just one of our Think Outside the Box campaigns. Wait till you learn how our Bank Bag campaign made over $128,000 in less than 50 days. Finally, if you would do me a favor and simply put in your information so that we can physically mail you our underwear campaign to personally experience, we will make sure it goes out tomorrow, and you will get to experience it within a few days. Listen, don't drop the ball here. Fill it out right now. Here's the God-honest truth. They who are not afraid to go outside the norm of incest marketing have a 10-fold chance to succeed. That much I also know. So go ahead and fill out our form, and I'll see you on the other side.